Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will introduce how to use the FortiGate API create policy when the FortiGate is enabled VDOM. Previous two videos, I just show you that one is FortiGate without VDOM enabled. So this is different. Let me log into this one. You can see this one has enabled VDOM. It has two VDOMs. One is internet, one is root, and the root is management VDOM. So internet VDOM, we have a internal external interface. And also I have created an administrator for the REST API, and this administrator you can see has a virtual domain as internet and root. This is a traditional username, superadmin. In the internet VDOM, we can see the system policy. We have only the internal access internet is permitted. So we only has this policy. And we want to do is create a virtual server, which one in this network, create a virtual server. And use port forwarding from 2022 match to SSH. I just do it through the API one. And from here, we will create a policy from internet access internal. Okay, as we see, we use two methods. So first one, we do it like a token one. So like before, we have defined the IP address and the token. And this is a two link. One is for create VIP, one is create policy. This is different than the others. Previously, we create an account. We can see that VDOM is root. And this time, we have changed the VDOM to the internet. So here, we do the change at here. This is defined FortiGate parameter. And in the program, we can see we have defined VIP the parameters and the result. We use the create VIP function, and then here we use the create policy function to create. Oh, this is the policy needed element. So in the create VIP one, what I need to pay attention is here. This is the access token that is like before. The VDOM, we put the internet at VDOM internet at here. So when we do the VIP data, we need to pay attention of this part, the mapped IP. From the command line, you can see this is just string, but in the really this is a array. So we need to change in this format. Otherwise, it will not working. Same as the create policy. We can see the source interface, destination interface, source IP, destination IP, and also the service. Always array is not like a traditional string. So this is what we need to pay attention. Okay, let me write. Okay, we can see we created VIP successful and policy is also successful. This is the HTTP link. We can see this contain FortiGate IP address, API v2 CMDB, firewall VIP, and we use question mark access token, and then VDOM as a format. So let me have a look in here. Let me see the virtual IPs. Yeah, we can see we created this one. This server is called server, and from the external IP address to internal IP address, and port forwarding, we use 2022 forward to 22. And in here, we have the firewall access VIP from O to external to internal, from O to server. We will permit SS service, and the action is accept. So let me test. Okay, this is in the remote FortiGate. Let me go to the remote server. That one is yeah. In here, let me access to the VIP address. Yeah, previous we are in the KVM 14. So currently we in a KVM 16, and then it's go to the other side. You can see this one is increased. So that one means that one is working. Okay, let me disable this one. Okay, so let me delete this one and then use the username password one to create this one. Okay, we have removed all of them. Here, this one is pretty same. We have the FortiGate username password, and this one is same, but this is a little bit different. This question mark VDOM internet, not like this one token. And why is different? Because when we use the token access, so we already use the question mark in here. So this is just use the add-on VDOM at here. So just can put this together. So when we use this one, all the other is the same. A little bit different is because this one uses the session. So when we create VIP, we need login. The login will give the session and header. And when we create VIP, we need to use the session and headers. Yeah, the other is always same. That's right. You can see, yeah, this one is a create VIP successful. So we can see we do not have the access token. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, the VIP create successful. And the firewall policy. Yeah, this one is the same. And we can test. Yeah, so we from the KVM 14 to KVM 16. So the test was successful. So use this method, we can create virtual server. Also, I can create a policy. Okay, today's this video is finished. Hope you can enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.